Hey everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's not that exciting, if I'm honest, a bit of a homey day. And it is really grey and miserable. I don't know if you can see in the clouds. I don't know if you can see that. But it's making me happy because it's making me feel like Christmas. I'm sorry for those of you that hate Christmas and don't get excited for it early. Some of us were just born this way. I don't know what it is about why do some of us love Christmas so early on and why do some of us hate it, but I'm very excited for Christmas. I'm also very excited because it is grey and miserable. It feels like really cold and cozy, and I've refound, I don't know why, but I haven't worn these tracksuit in ages, and you know when you're just so comfy, I literally am the comfiest I've flipping been in so long. These tracksuit bottoms, yeah, they are quite short for me, okay, they are, but they're one of the comfiest pairs of tracksuit bottoms I have. They are from Hollister, and they're just, I've had them for like a year, and I've worn them so much, and they've lasted a really long time. I feel like I need to get them in another colour before they go out. And also Brandy Melville hoodies, because they're so nice and oversized and cosy. But what we're about to do is we're about to go to Tesco because need to get some sandy pads and need to get some, basically our friends are in isolation, so I think I'm going to drop off some Krispy Kremes, pick up the bits that we need. Oh, I've gotten a text. Got a text! Hello! I am actually a bit annoyed because I feel like I've gone off this camera. I know I bought this camera because apparently it's really, really good, but I just feel like I'm not getting on with it, and now I don't know what to do because I've got this camera that was a big investment and I don't even like it. So, hello! Let's go. I'm just thinking about it. Do you guys like it or not? Hello! I don't know, it's so funny to me. Guys, let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. I'm actually going to the beach on Sunday. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about that. That's fun. Oh yeah, that's a lot of fun. Right, I'm here at the Tesco. I actually just saw a learner that was learning to drive in a Range Rover. What? What kind of foolishness is that? Actually, I'm so glad. Honestly, when I was learning to drive, I would cry every time I came home. I hated learning to drive so much. Took my test 3 times. Oh gosh, it was actually true. I read back my diary the other day when I was learning to drive, and I wrote out for my last and final test, I wrote out for 4 whole pages, I will pass my test, I will pass my test. I did. I was just like so done. I hated learning to drive. Anyway, wow. Sorry, going off on a tangent. Let's go get some Krispy Kremes. Okay, I'm here in Tesco, and I actually just saw celebrations, which makes me so excited for Christmas. I'm in the bath bit. Here we go. What should we pick? Oh, I've not smelled this one. Flip. Seeing those celebrations. I can't believe it, I'm well excited. Okay, I picked up the Krispy Kremes. I know some people call it Krispy Kreme, but I just think that's wrong. Krispy Kreme, you joking me? Look at this, here we go. Oh yeah, although they've got this weird new Xbox one, but apparently it doesn't taste very nice. So I've got all the Krispy Kremes. And then I also got in here, as well as some fanny pads, I found these new soft pitters, easy to fill. And I won't lie, I actually find pitta breads really hard to fill. And Jesse's coming over. Just for a little catch up. So I bought him these because I know he loves these, and obviously haven't been to America in a hot minute. He loves Mike and Ike's, and I saw them in the American section. I was like, we have to do it. See, this camera's just proven to be such a little blighter. I'm not into it. I don't think I am. Anyway, let me know if you're into it. Guys, I just got an order of an epilator because I have heard great things about epilators, meaning that you don't have to shave as often. But I also think I won't be able to hack the pain. It was over half price. It was £50 reduced from 115. So I was like, you know what, now's the time, innit? I am terrified. I might have to do it on video, but at the same time, drama queen, so we'll see how it goes. I'm nervous. I put a little bit of catnip down yesterday, and it must still be there, because she's loving it. Hi everybody! So it's a few days later now, and I have just been so drained lately. I don't know if it's because I'm on my period, I don't know if it's because I haven't been getting the best sleep, or if it's because obviously I had COVID for 10 days, so I was just in my room, so I wasn't used to speaking to anyone, so I didn't have to speak to anyone. which in turn means that now it feels like so much effort to interact with people. So I'm feeling just a bit flat, all right? Just a little bit flat. So I've been trying to do things, simple things that I know make me feel better, going on some walks, treating myself to little, I don't know, little things, or just like family and friends that I know that don't feel like an effort to talk to. Do you know what I mean? I am gonna go to Starbucks right now because I finished my working day. I've edited my video, done all of that jazz, and I just saw that there's a new Starbucks drink, and I have on the Starbucks app a free birthday drink that I need to use by the 22nd of August. So I feel like we're gonna try this sunset drink. It looks delicious. Let's see if it is. We are here at Starbucks. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm about to go and get myself the sunset drink for free on the app. And see, the woman in that Starbucks that served me 10 out of 10. Because I went, can I have a small birthday drink? Because I didn't think it through. Because obviously I always get small because it's cheaper. And then she was like, wait, do you want it large if it's your free birthday drink? And I was like, of course I do. I just didn't think it through. Thanks so much. You know, you're like, she didn't have to say that, did she? She didn't have to tell me that the large would be free. Some people just like bypass that. Anyway, I got this. I got it. Here's the sunset drink. I'm actually going to film a TikTok reviewing it. So be with me on this journey. I'll just insert it.
I have the new sunset drink from Starbucks. I'm going to give it a go. Also, why is it so mortifying getting a dome lid? I hate the domes. I don't know if you're supposed to mix it or if you're supposed to drink it like in the gradient. I'm going to drink it like the gradient first. That is so weird. It's like strawberry. What the heck? The Bombay is warm with the strawberry puree. It's like really thick. I'm going to give it a mix up. I'm not sold. I'm not. It doesn't beat a Cool Lime Refresher, I'll tell you that much.
Guys, I wish I didn't waste my free birthday drink on this one. I wish I got a Cool Lime Refresher. I should just know at this point, Cool Lime Refresher is the best one. It's nice, but it's a bit too sweet. I know that sounds peculiar, but like, because I really don't mind sweet things, but in a drink I can't hack sweet things. That's why I don't like fizzy. That's why I don't like juice, because it's too sweet. But the Cool Lime Refresher has like the citrus thing. I think that's what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go home. I think I'm having a little movie night, me and Mum, because for my birthday I was gonna go and watch In the Heights, and I've been craving to watch it, and now it's stopped being shown in cinemas, but then it popped up on Virgin TV the other day. So I think we're gonna have a little movie night. I've got some Maltesers, some popcorn, which blended together are the best because you get the salty popcorn with the Maltesers, and it was a really good time. So I'm gonna go home, just chill a bit. I'm absolutely zonked at the moment. I don't know what it is. I think I am just drained, and I do feel like I just need to shake it up. I feel like it's just been a bit, life's just been a bit like, you know what I mean? I thought summer was gonna be lit, and I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything this year. But no, that's a lie. We have done something. Come on, all of us that feel like we haven't achieved anything. We've flipping gotten through a pandemic. We have emotionally, physically, spiritually survived a pandemic. So if you're feeling like, oh, I haven't done anything, you have. You've managed to survive a pandemic. It's a pretty big feat. So I need to tell myself that. Get that in my little noggin. Aloha, change of plans. Where are we going, Mum?
We're going to TK.
We're going to
Followed
TK
by
Maxx.
maybe Hobby Craft.
I didn't know about Hobby Craft.
I'll see. I think we'll see.
We'll see how it goes.
And then
I don't really know why. I'm just coming along for the ride.
because Grace has FOMO.
Not FOMO.
Like if there's a shopping store, a shopping excursion, should we say? She just wants to be in there.
I do. I want a bargain.
She wants a bargain.
And TK Maxx is full of
It
bargains.
is the place.
To be fair, I
for a
think
good
there was
bargain.
something I was like, oh, I'd like to see if they have that at TK Maxx.
I'm very specific what I want.
I think there was something I wanted. I don't know.
I
I always remember one time I went and there was a lilac pair of Doc Martens, and I've thought about them to this day, and I
Lilac.
regretted. Why?
You went a bit Forrester Dean then.
Yeah, that is, it's my inner dad.
They're in-
I think about them to this day, that I didn't buy them. What an idiot, do you know what I mean? So let's see if there's any shoesies. Could do with a new pair of pyjamas, to be honest. To be honest, I could do with a new pair.
Lies.
I could do with some new bedding.
Safe-
I haven't
bedding, mine
had new bedding since sixth form. I bought that for a treat for myself from White Company from sixth form.
Oh, is it this one? Yeah.
I haven't been. Here we go, guys. No, I don't think it would be busy. It's Monday evening. Might just swoop through there.
Swoop through there and just actually park there.
It's lovely. Look at that parking spot. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beauteous, that's a thing of beauty.
Onto the bedding. I quite like this bubbly one. Quite into that. Mum's in amongst it. Right, let's have a browse. I really like this one. It's really soft, but they don't have it in a king. And I have a king duvet on a queen bed. No, smaller than. What's smaller than a double? I think it's a queen. I haven't found a duvet, but we're gonna continue the journey. Guys, I have picked up my first little bit. We're now in the baskets, having a little browse. And then we get to the craft and stationery. I really want to find an alarm clock, but I don't know where they would be. These blue ones all smell incredible. Smell that, Mum.
Sand and fog.
No, Mediterranean. It smells so good.
Yeah, that's quite nice.
It's really
I
yummy.
reckon sage and sea salt would be.
Oh yeah, and ocean mist. But I don't like this bit on the top.
What bit?
Namaste home with a cat.
Yeah, but you take that off, don't you?
Yeah, but why have they done that?
They've done that on all of them. Quite weird.
Yeah, it's a bit vibe killy. My kids have paws. What?
Is it because it's sand and paws? Is it to do with?
Oh, animals. Inspired at Dog Beach on the Californian coast. Go on, smell it, Mum.
Oh, I can't get that.
You can, I believe in you. Can I smell it, please?
That's quite nice.
Yeah, it's alright. Do you know what my favourite thing, though? My favourite thing is like the sea salt ones. I love it. Go on.
That's my favourite.
Is that Cornwall?
That is my favourite. That is.
Yeah, it's nice, but I do like the Mediterranean one the most.
fair enough.
Right, we are back from our excursions. Hi, Banks. Did you have fun without us? Did you have a... You're back legs, isn't it? Go on, out you go. Yeah, we went to... Hobbycraft had shut, unfortunately, so we couldn't go to Hobbycraft because we'd had such a good time in TK Maxx. I'll do a little haul of everything that I got. Do you want to see? You're going to see anyway, all right? I got this for my shower, which is like a hanging thing, but I don't... first of all, I can't stick it. You know, normally they've got those suction pads and you can stick it on the side. I can't do that because the doors get in the way, so I can't do anything hanging on the doors either. So this one hangs on the shower head, but also it's got this, so it can fit a bottle of any size, because the problem is lots of them they can't fit any bottles in. Whereas this one is good, and it's not metal, so it won't go rusty. Hopefully that will be all right. Mum got, can I do a haul of the bits you bought, Mum? Please. She's got a Bristol brush, lovely, nice and nice. She's got a foot mask, so she's really into treating herself for pampering. She's going through a pampering phase. She's got this lovely lavender and manuka honey hand wash. Lavender is her favourite. And a little... Oh, why did you get that pumice stone? And that little pumice stone. And then I also bought some cardi wards. And the guy who served me was like, whose birthday? You got a birthday? I was like, no, I like to stock up on cards. So I think of occasions that are coming. I'm gonna have a pack of Maltesers and sit down, relax. I bought the, I get the big box from Costco and it just keeps me going. So, there we go. I really love it, keeps me going. Keeps me when I want a little sneaky snack. Yes, I am in the exact same outfit as yesterday, and what of it, you know? Sometimes it's outfit repeat. I am about to have breakfast, although basically my friend bought me some Korean snacks and I am so into it. I've eaten a lot of them, I have, but I've still got these. I'm very excited to try because obviously I love Korean Englishmen and Jolly, and they're always trying things, and I've seen those on the video. She also got me, apparently these onion rings are way better than English onion rings. I also got these cuttlefish, very intrigued to try, because my brother used to have a giant African ant snail called Virgil, and he would feed them. But the thing I really want to try this morning, let me get it, hang on. She got these things called choco pies, which I'm like, are they going to be similar to a wagon wheel? Or are they going to be, I don't know what they're going to be like, but I'm going to give one a go because I kind of wanted to try it on here with you guys. I feel like I'll like this. Oh my gosh, it smells really sweet. I love it already. I'm into it. It's weird because it's kind of biscuity. Oh, it's got like the marshmallow. I couldn't pick up on the marshmallow before. Can you see that? Wait. Can you see that? It's like stretchy. One thing is it's a tiny bit dry. It's just a little bit dry. But it is a good, I really like the flavour and I'm really enjoying the texture. But it's dry at the same time. Like I want it a tiny bit more moist. But I reckon with a cup of tea, that would be like a 10 out of 10. You know, sometimes you just need, it's a bit claggy. Okay, today's ventures, I'm going to visit my friend who is pregnant, and I actually bought this really fun little belly mask, it's called. And apparently like it's a it's, you know, like a face mask, but for your belly. And it gives like moisture and stuff. I hope it's good, I don't know what it's gonna be like, but it just looks really fun. Guys, I also have this thing that I got for my birthday, which I feel like you guys are gonna be so into, because I know so many of you are avid bakers like myself. Let me pop you here. So we can also, guys, this weather that England is serving us at the moment has got me so pumped for the winter months. It's just absolutely, I've never seen a summer worse. It's absolutely grim. It's the weirdest thing. It's ever since I bought this fan right here. Don't mind that pipe closed, that's going to my friend. But ever since I bought that fan, and it happened once, where I bought this sledge in like when I was like, I'd say 15, and then for the next 7 years it didn't snow. So I'm like, is it the curse of the fan? And now it's just not gonna be hot. So sorry everyone, it's all on that fan. If we get some hot weather, then we'll know that it's not the fan. But at the moment, the fan is holding us hostage. But this really cool thing for my birthday, and I saw it on TikTok, and loads of you guys tagged me. Also, when you tag me, it just makes me smile in things that you think, when you're like, this made me think of you. I'm like, people are thinking of me, and that's sweet. This is 100 bakes to make at home, and you scratch off. It's like a little scratch thing. So you scratch off when you've made it. And it's really cool because there are some things in here that I've never made before. Like I've never made a fortune cookie. I've never made a baked cheesecake. I've never made an Anzac biscuit, a pork pie, a jammy. Like there are so many things I've never made, and I just can't wait to work through it. And I feel like I'm gonna maybe do a little section on Grack snacks, because I feel like that could be really fun. Really fun. I think I'd enjoy that. Love being here.
It's very good.
Happy birthday, Grack.
Happy birthday, Grack.
Thanks, guys. Hey, Grack.
Do you want to do the 12?
Look, I mean, you can if you want. It's just gonna look in it. Beautiful.
Guys, I just woke up, if you can't tell from the puffy eyes. But yesterday, I had a really nice meal with my family at this place called Taylor's. Really, really good. It's new. So if anyone wants to go and try it, go try it. Recommend. Say that Grack will send you. I'm joking, don't say that because I'm shy. But yeah, I had a really good meal, and I feel like this is a natural place for the vlog to end. Have a great rest of your day, and if anyone else is feeling a bit meh at the moment, we've got each other, all right? Love you loads. Bye.